Testing your form as you build it is highly recommended. The more issues you can resolve at this time, the fewer that will be highlighted in user testing. Access rules can, to a certain extent, be tested using the preview option demonstrated in previous tutorial videos. Using the Object Overview drop-downs in the left navigation panel, we can select specific stage and role combinations and then initiate a preview to check the states of the objects at that particular combination. It makes sense to start at the beginning, which is the default stage, and do remember that the default stage we should use the All Roles selection too. That's because no roles have normally been defined when the form opens at the default stage. At the New Request stage, in this example, all of the fields should be accessible, and only the Submit button should be visible. We can then move on to the next stage and role combination, which in this example will be Manager Approval and Manager. We can now see why this is not a true test of the states, because at this stage of the process, most of the fields will already have data in them. But we can at least see that the fields are read-only because we can't add any data into them. We can also see that the button to the Approvals page is now shown instead of the Submit button. And if we navigate to the Approvals page, we can see that the option for the manager to make a decision is now available. To complete the testing of the access rules or field states, you will need to repeat this process for all of the possible stage and role combinations.